In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a location on Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Being signed in is important because it keeps your saved places attached to your account and synced across your devices. If you use multiple accounts, double check that you're on the one where you want these locations to live. Next, find the spot you want to save. You can type a place name or address into the search bar, or simply navigate the map and click or tap directly on the location. If it's not a named place, selecting a point on the map will drop a pin. That's perfect for landmarks, trailheads, or meeting spots that don't have a formal address. Once the place is selected, open its info panel by clicking the place name or address. On mobile, this panel usually slides up from the bottom. On desktop, it appears on the left. You'll see details like photos, ratings, and directions. This info panel is where all the key actions live, including the one we need next. Click the save button in that panel. This is the command that tells Google Maps to remember the spot for you. If you've selected the wrong place, you can back out and choose a different one before saving. When you click save, you'll be prompted to choose a list. Google Maps gives you a few built-in options: favorites, want to go, and starred places. Pick the one that makes sense for you. If none of those fit, choose new list to create your own. Give it a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, and if prompted, add a short description to keep things organized. Using consistent names like Great Coffee or Client Visits makes finding and using your saved spots much easier down the road. That's it, the location is now saved. You'll usually see a check mark or an icon change to confirm it worked, and a small marker will appear on the map for that list. Because you're signed in, the save is tied to your account, so it shows up when you switch devices. Saved places also help suggestions and directions feel more personal over time. If you're planning a trip, saving key locations ahead of time can make navigation faster and less stressful, especially when you're offline or in a hurry. Keep your list tidy as you go and you'll build a really useful personal map of the places that matter most. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized Google Maps.